This is Mohammad Rahmat Ali. I am very glad to read the father of the essays, Francis Bacon's essay of studies. Studies serve for delight, for ornament, and for ability. Their chief use for delight is in privateness and retiring, for ornament is in discourse, and for ability is in the judgment and the disposition of business. For aspect men can execute and perhaps judge of particulars one by one, but the general counsels and the plots and marshalling of affairs come best from those who are learned. To spend too much time in studies is sloth. To use them too much for ornament is an affectation. To make judgment wholly by their rules is the humor of a scholar. They perfect nature and are perfected by experience. For natural abilities are like natural plants that need ploughing by study, and studies themselves do give forth direction to much at large, except they be bounded in by experience. Crafty men condemn studies, simple men admire them, and wise men use them. For they teach not their own use, but that is a wisdom without them, and above them one by observation. Read not to contradict and confute, not to believe and take for granted, not to find talk and discourse, but we weigh and consider. Some books are to be tasted, some others to be swallowed, and few to be chewed and digested. That is, some books are to be read only in parts, others to be read not but curiously, and some of you to be read wholly and with diligence and the attention. Some books are may be read by deputy and extract made of them by others, but that would be only in the less important arguments and the manner salt of books. Else distilled books are like common distilled water. Flossie thinks reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. And therefore, if a man write little, he need have a great memory. If he confer little, he need to present wit, and if he read little, he need have much cunning. To swim to know that he doth not. Histories make men wise, poets witty, and mathematics subtle, natural philosophy deep, moral grave, logic and rhetoric able to contend. Appeared studio in Morris. Studies pass into and influence manners. Nay, there is no stand or impediment in the wit, but they may be wrought out by wit studies. Likewise, disease of the body may have appropriate exercise. Bowling is good for the stone and reins, shooting for the lungs and breast, gentle walking for the stomach, riding for the head, and like. So if a man wit be wandering, let him study the mathematics, for in demonstration, if his wit be called away never so little, he must begin again. If his wit be not be apt to distinguish or find difference, let him study the schoolmen, for they are sectors, splitters of heads. If he be not apt to beat over matters and to call up one thing to prove and illustrate another, let him study the lawyer's cases. So every defect of mind may have a special receipt.